Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie out of Coke. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 can of cola, about 1 cup of ice, and a fruit like a banana or berries. Make sure your cola is well chilled. A good blender is also key to getting that perfect, smooth consistency. This unique drink offers a surprising twist on a classic soda. Now, let's start blending. Carefully pour the entire can of chilled cola into your blender. Next, add about 1 cup of ice cubes. Secure the lid tightly and blend on a medium to high setting. You're aiming for a slushy, icy consistency, so keep blending until no large ice chunks remain. This forms the refreshing base for your smoothie. It's time to add your fruit. Peel and break 1 banana into pieces, or add about 1/2 cup of your favorite berries. If you prefer a thicker smoothie, you can add a few more ice cubes now. Blend everything together on high until the mixture is completely smooth and uniform. Ensure there are no fruit chunks left for a perfect texture. Your unique cola smoothie is now ready. Carefully pour the blended mixture into a tall glass. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with a slice of lime or a maraschino cherry. Serve this refreshing drink immediately to best enjoy its fizzy, sweet, and fruity flavor. It's a fun and unexpected treat for any occasion.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.